Are you missing out on free money from your everyday spending? Most people get this wrong. They use a card with no rewards or fail to optimize categories. The surprising truth is that the right rewards credit card can give you hundreds of dollars back each year just for purchases you're already making. Let's break it down. The Chase Freedom Unlimited is a popular choice. It offers 1.5% cash back on all purchases, plus 5% on travel purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% on dining and drugstores. Another strong option is the CD Double Cash Card, giving 2% back on all spending, 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay. The real trick most people get wrong is focusing on sign-up bonuses and ignoring consistent everyday rewards. Over time, those daily purchases add up. Tips to maximize rewards cards. 1. Match your card to your spending habits: groceries, gas, travel, or general purchases. 2. Pay off your balance each month to avoid interest erasing your rewards. 3. Combine cards strategically if needed: one for bonus categories, one for flat rate cash back. Who should get these cards? Anyone who spends regularly and wants to earn cash back or points effortlessly. Even moderate spenders can earn significant rewards over the course of a year. If this guide helped you find the best rewards credit cards, subscribe for more tips on maximizing cash back, points, and turning your purchases into free money. The right card can make every swipe work for you.